The countdown begins right now, and you have to set a timer of 30 seconds, which means you will be paid $50 every 1 minute. There is no requirement to sell an item, new video, or a website are required. You don't need to put in an effort, money to start it, because this is completely free. You only need a phone or laptop as well as an internet connection to get started. You can get started right away after watching this video from any part of the world, and you can cash out your profits using different payment methods available globally. If you stick around until the end of the video, I have a surprise bonus for you that will help you earn even more money online, so make sure don't miss that out. Before we begin, please subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you will be able to notify whenever I uploaded a new video. First, I wanted to direct you to this website, which is Liget.com. You probably haven't seen this website before, and you have probably never heard other people talking about this website, and you can make a lot of money with this platform. Alright, so basically this website function is a marketplace where people can find different services, such as graphics design, internet marketing, videos, audio and music, and there are several categories where people can find different services related to their needs. Now you don't need to perform any of the tasks, you don't require to complete that, and you don't have to sell any physical product. Now first, I wanted to show you how much people are making with this platform, so click on video tab right here, and as you can see right here, people are making $15, $10, even $40 for just one video ad. Don't skip right here, because I'm going to show you 2 websites from where you can make this video very easily just with a few clicks. So let's check that out. If you watch this whole video and you understand this method, you will be able to make a lot of money using Liget platform. Now the first website that I'm going to show you is that Flixpress.com. I also have another video on Flixpress.com in my YouTube channel, so make sure to check that out. Link is in the description. So basically you can produce videos online in a minute using Flixpress.com. Click on automated templates right here, which will take you to the next page, where you can find awesome and ready to use templates. You can also edit that template if you want any changes. I will show you how to make changes in this video according to your need. But before that, click right here on Free Plan Templates, and you will discover all the videos that are selling right now on Liget.com as well as Fiverr.com. Now let me show you another website where you can make high-quality videos or advertisement for your clients, and the website is Powtoon.com. Basically this website is one of the greatest websites that will provide you free option to produce a lot of professional films. Now I'm going to show you how can you do this. So click right here on Create and then Video. Then you'll be able to see different and amazing templates, and you can also edit these templates as your client needs to be. Let me show you an example of a template. The whiteboard explainer. If you click on this template right here, it will show you full demo as you can see right here. You can also edit this video by clicking on this button. And here you need to make an account, and then you will move to this page. So you can click on the text and make it whatever you want. You can change the color, style, size, location of the text. Once you've done your editing, just import that video or use it for your client. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this new method to earn money online, like this video, subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below if you have any question. Thanks for watching my video. See you in next